Italians are passionate people, which is why they use lots of different terms of endearment with their partners and loved ones. But there are only 7 terms that you need to know, which is what I'll be sharing with you today in this lesson. Plus, I'll explain why there are 2 very different ways to say I love you in Italian, and why you don't want to mix them up because you'll get yourself into hot water. Make sure you stick around for that. To help you practice these new terms you're going to learn, make sure you download your free cheat sheet with all the vocabulary and examples that are included in this lesson. Just click on the link in the description below this video. Pronti? Iniziamo! The first term of endearment is
amore mio, amore mio.
Now this literally means love or my love. This is a direct, heartfelt, and probably the most popular term of endearment in Italian. It can be used in a romantic way, but also when talking to children.
Tesoro mio, tesoro mio.
This means sweetheart, honey, darling, literally my treasure. It can be used in both a romantic and in a non-romantic way towards someone that you cherish.
Patato, patata, patatino, patatina.
Literally, little potato. In the Italian language, the word patata only exists in the feminine form to mean potato, or chips or fries, which is patatine. However, these nicknames are used both in the masculine and in the feminine versions as terms of endearment, especially with children, whereas it sounds a bit cheesy if you use it with a partner.
Piccola, piccolina.
Literally, little one. The adjective means small or little. Here it is used in the feminine as a nickname for a girlfriend, which is a romantic partner. The male version, piccolo, doesn't carry the same affectionate meaning, so it can't be used in this context.
Cucciolo, cucciola.
Baby, literally baby animal. Now besides referring specifically to a baby animal like a joey, a cub, a puppy, a kitten and so on, it is used as a term of endearment, both in the male and feminine forms, to affectionately call a boyfriend or girlfriend, or even a child.
Amo, amo.
This literally translates to love. It's short for amore, and it's used among close friends, especially teenage girls and young women, in an affectionate way. Here is a list of the most used phrases and their variations to say I love you in Italian, and other ways to express your feelings.
Amore a prima vista.
Love at first sight. How did you and your sweetheart meet? Was it love at first sight? In Italian you say
Colpo di fulmine.
Literally, it was a strike of lightning, meaning it was love at first sight.
Sei la mia anima gemella.
You're my soulmate. Literally, you're my twin soul. The next phrase is
Ti amo. Ti voglio bene.
I love you. This is the interesting one. Now, in Italian, there is more than just one way to say I love you. There is
Ti amo.
from the verb amare, to love, and
Ti voglio bene.
from the verb volere bene. This is used in the sense of caring for someone. Be careful though. These phrases can't be used interchangeably. The former expresses a very strong and deep feeling. It is something that you would say when you are in a romantic relationship. This is how you can express your love to your soulmate on Valentine's Day. Variations of ti amo are
Ti amo da morire.
I love you so much. Literally, I love you to die or to death. And
Quanto ti amo.
I love you so much. Literally, how much I love you. On the other hand, volere bene indicates a slightly different kind of love. It's loving someone in a non-romantic way, where you care a lot for them. This is when you would say, ti voglio bene, to a dear friend, to your parents, to a child, or to your siblings. When a relationship ends, or when the romantic spark has faded, there is an expression that's used to describe this feeling, which is
Ti voglio bene, ma non ti amo più.
I love you, but I don't love you anymore. The next phrase is
Sono innamorato di te. Sono innamorata di te.
I'm in love with you. The ending of the word changes according to the person saying the phrase. O if it's said by a man, A if it's said by a woman. On a slightly different note, the process of falling in love with someone is expressed in Italian with the phrase
innamorarsi di qualcuno. Mi sono innamorato di te. Mi sono innamorata di te.
I fell in love with you. If you want to describe that early stage of being in love, then you can use the phrase
Sono pazzo di te. Sono pazza di te.
I'm crazy mad about you. Like the previous phrase, but even more intense, if you've completely lost your mind for someone, you can use the expression
Siamo fatti l'uno per l'altra.
we are made for each other. Here are a few example sentences that you can say to make a romantic promise to your sweetheart.
Voglio stare con te per sempre.
I want to be with you forever.
Voglio passare il resto della mia vita con te.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Ti amerò per sempre.
I will always love you.
Con te voglio invecchiare.
I want to grow old with you. Phrases with bello, bella, meaning beautiful.
Sei bellissimo. Sei bellissima.
You're so beautiful.
Sei la cosa più bella che mi sia mai capitata.
You're the most beautiful thing that ever happened to me. Phrases with vita, life.
Mi hai cambiato la vita.
You changed my life.
Sei la mia vita.
You are my life.
Senza di te, la vita non ha senso.
Without you, life has no meaning.
Sei l'amore della mia vita.
You are the love of my life. Phrases with cuore, heart.
Mi hai rubato il cuore.
You stole my heart.
Il mio cuore batte solo per te.
My heart beats only for you.
Sei sempre nel mio cuore.
You are always in my heart.
Il mio cuore è solo tuo.
My heart is yours. Phrases with sole, sun or sunshine.
Sei bello. Sei bella come il sole.
You're beautiful like the sun.
Sei il sole della mia vita.
You're the sunshine of my life. Some other typical phrases you can use are
Mi manchi.
I miss you.
Ti penso sempre.
I always think about you.
Abbracciami.
Hug me.
Baciami.
Kiss me.
Ho bisogno di te.
I need you.
Mi rendi felice.
You make me happy.
Ti adoro.
I adore you.
Sei il mio angelo.
You're my angel.
Sei tutto per me.
You're everything to me. Now don't forget to download your free cheat sheet for this lesson. Again, just click on the link in the description below. If you want to know how to cheat your way to fluency in Italian, make sure you watch this video here. It's a game changer and I'm not even exaggerating. Ciao! A presto!